We didn't really talk much about other markets. I haven't even looked at the crypto space this morning, unfortunately. But like oil, I don't know, Dave, if you got anything on oil. Okay, that's fine. You guys can trail these out. You know, you can, like I always say, when you if you cover something well and then you start to bounce back, you don't want to just start reshorting because it's still in trend. You got to make sure your cycle's good. So just like when we get low within the 15-minute cycle, like we are right here, we time that pretty well, right? So let's just walk through it. We come in, we look at the downtrend. All right, we see the downtrend, we're getting a bounce back. We have this wall here. We failed about halfway, but on this bounce back here, we're slowly starting to fade the cycle, the 15-minute cycle. I mean, look how simple that is. When trading's tough as it is, you just got to make it simple sometimes. You start fading it lightly, get a topping tail. We sold more aggressive. Then we took out the swing line. Right? All setups in the model. Sell more here, and then we get the cycle down. So here at the bottom of the cycle, we cover 80 to 90% of what you're short, and then you can trail this out. So my point is that as you bounce back up here, there used to be times where I would just start reshorting right now, and I would start shorting aggressive again because I already made money. And then in my mind, I start to project or scenario build that this is going to continue. Well, the problem is when I used to do that, I had no concept of the timepiece. So you're shorting at the bottom of the cycle. So you can reshort here, guys. You just have to be small and patient because this can cycle all the way back up for another cycle up. That's where you'd want to be shorting again with the 15-minute bounce. So you can keep playing this on the short side if you want to trade through lunch. I mean, stocks just opened up. You got some more time before lunch, but I'm just saying that this 15-minute cycle is coming back up. So you may be in that for a while, but I'm out of 95% of my short. Sold here, covered, boom. That's pretty much everything the market gave us. Pound yen over here, this is the 1 minute. Nice failures at pi, but essentially we caught that same cycle covered here into the lows. You can see it here on the 15-minute. Same thing here. Dragon didn't bounce nearly as much, right? You got the move down. The bands are all negative. You get a little bounce back. We faded it, covered some. It's only 20 pips, but that's all the market gave us. Now you have a 15-minute cycle coming up. So when you get that cross, just like when we're entering, we're waiting for more of our size to enter up here on the top, covering into the lows. All the same process. So this will still stay bearish though, as long as we're kind of below pi here on the 15-minute for the rest of the day. So here's what that looked like. Pretty much covered the lows there. It's good stuff, guys. Here's Euro Yen. 5-minute chart. Shorting, shorting, cover, 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 cover. Cover the lows. Dragon. Same thing. Shorting on the way up, more aggressive here. Pay the Forex gods a little bit, cover, cover, cover. right. So nice job, guys. I had that in the real-time alerts. Nice morning. You know, not bad for an hour or so. $500 here, a couple $100 there, $300 here. Trailed out these last two pieces. So good stuff, guys. For any of you, for those of you that are on the prop side, you guys can stay in these if you want or keep trading a little bit. But I think probably most of you came out of everything, right? But all right, did you guys all make money this morning? All right, good, Gary. Danny, Dave. Danny, are you still in your piece? I'm just gonna get flat, guys, because I gotta run to this meeting. So, all right, Danny, you know what to do with that last piece. You guys are good. I guess I'll just share for anybody in YouTube land, if you want interested in joining our trading team. This is our group. We trade together every day. I train my traders here on our model that we've been trading, for 10, 15 years now. So if you go to jenkinsrm.com, jenkinsrm.com, we have a chat room. It's free to come hop in the chat there. This is going away. This full access team is essentially what we did, training on the model, and then we trade live together every day. Now we've kind of morphed that into a prop program where my traders have ability to get funded, and we trade together on a professional level. This is our real-time alerts product. It's probably a couple dozen trade alerts every day. Some of the best timing alerts and signals probably exist in the marketplace. It's only $100 a month. Some options training. This is our core training or educational course, the JRM trading course. 10 hours. I teach you my entire model that was institutionally forged, meaning trading institutional cash treasuries. This is the model we use, same model that heads of desk had access to, and we traded together, hedge funds, etc. That's 10 hours of training. We go over analysis, risk, execution, put it all together. And then this is our crypto team as well. We take that same model into the crypto markets. That same training exists here. If you want to join that team, there's a couple ways to do that. But you can get the model here as well under this product, and then more of group coaching and mentorship. That's where all the real growth is trading together, going through trades, trading in real time, all the lessons in real time. You got to have the trade on. It's just completely different than just learning on your own, whether it be video or books, etc. Yeah, guys, that's that. So nice session. I'm going to sign off with you. And then, guys, we'll do London in the morning, okay? Because we have Draghi, right? So bright and early, we'll see what the market gives us, but FX should be moving around. You guys good? All right, Camille, Andrew, welcome, Dave, Michael, Camille, Danny, Gary. All right, guys, another profitable session. Let's see if we can Go 5 for 5 this week. All right. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. I'll see some of you in the chat a little later this afternoon. Enjoy the rest of your trading day.